Hey, this is Jesse Davis of Integrity Home Solutions Property Management. And the other day I got an email from a potential client, and basically what they asked me about is, what is your so-called philosophy on the art of property management? And at the time I'd never really thought, put much thought in that. And basically my response to them was, well, my business is named Integrity Home Solutions. Basically, what we try to do is keep everything as simple, straightforward, and do everything with integrity. That's basically what we try to do. That was my response. But over the week or so since that email, I've kind of thought about, what is my philosophy, so to speak, as far as property management. And I guess it sums it up I believe that by managing your properties and your assets, we are basically being stewards for your assets. And that stewardship is basically the philosophy of property management, in my opinion. And so what we do is we try to manage your property in a positive way that actually maintains your property, and if we can increase the value of your property by getting good tenants, making sure the property stays maintained, and follow your directions when it comes to managing your property, therefore relieving you of the pressures, the headaches, the time of dealing with anything of property management, anything dealing with your properties. That is basically good stewardship, and quite frankly, I believe if you're a good steward, you get more business. And if you're seeing this, you're probably seeing some of the very first marketing that I've ever done for our company. Our company's grown very, very fast, and it's been all referral-based business up until this point. In fact, the majority of my business is referral-based, and you know as well as I do, the only way you get referrals is because you're a good steward in whatever business you're in. So ultimately, I guess the answer to that question is stewardship when it comes to proper property management. That is basically the philosophy when it comes to doing this business, and I believe anybody that's in the business of property management needs to consider themselves as a steward of all of their owners' assets, and we're trying to do a very, very good job to maintain and make better their properties and what they do and what they're trying to do. So hopefully that gives you kind of an insight on the mindset of our company and how we do business. If you'd like to contact us about managing your property, please, there's a few different ways to contact us. You can go to Property Management in JacksonMississippi.com. You may be watching this video on that blog. That's fine. If you are, sign up on our email list and shoot us an email. We'd love to talk with you that way. We have an 800 number. You can call us at 1-800-561-7964, extension number 7. 1-800-561-7964, extension number 7. You can listen to, we got a 24-hour voice recording there. It kind of talks about how we do business. You can listen to that, and at any time you can just hit the button and it'll transfer you to my cell phone, or you can call us directly at 601-260-1079. That's pretty much how you get in contact with us. We'd love to talk to you about managing your assets and being a good steward for you, and look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching this video, and again, I hope to talk to you soon. Thanks.